Hi everyone, Julia here from the Curly Girl Creates. Today I'm going to show you how to make this candy treat holder. When I host my holiday dinner parties, I always like to put something next to each place setting that my guests can take home. And this year, this is what I'm making. And let's get started. I will tell you what you're going to need for this project. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I keep everything. These CDs that are no longer used, I knew one day I'd have a purpose for them, so I'm glad I kept them. So you are going to need a CD. You're going to need a can. This can that I'm using, just to give you my measurements, is 3 inches deep, long, I'm sorry, by about 2.5 wide. And you are going to need a piece of fabric. You're going to need glitter. I use these sparkling crystal glitters. You're going to need Aleene's Glitter Snow. This is a great thing to have when you're doing Christmas projects. You're going to need a little bit of hairspray and some type of embellishments. I'm using holly sprig and a I don't know what you call that, a pine cone, and of course you're going to need candy to fill it. Okay, what you're going to do first is you're going to spray paint your can and your CD. Obviously wait for it to dry. Then you are going to glue with your hot glue gun. You're going to glue the can onto the CD. So let's do that right now. Glue that right to the center. And make sure that's on real good. Okay, while that's drying, we're going to cut our fabric. The fabric, you want it to be 9.5 inches long, and you're going to cut it 2 inches wide. So it's already 9.5 inches long, and 2 inches wide would be right about to here. It doesn't have to be exact because you're going to tri-fold it and glue it to make the band for the hat. So you're going to take your piece, you're going to run some glue up the center and tri-fold it in. Okay, let's do that again. Tri-fold that in. Okay, so then it looks like that. Now we're going to glue that onto the hat and just cut off the excess. Okay, like that. I'm going to cut the excess off. Now, where your two ends meet, you want to hide that. You don't want that showing. So that's where you're going to put your embellishments. So right now we're going to make the embellishments. And I'm using 2 holly leaves. Oops. Okay. So we'll go like that. The holly leaves. Yeah. So we're going to glue this onto where the seam is. Can you see what I'm doing? Okay. Let that dry. Then I'll take my leaves. You can use any embellishments that you like. You could put a poinsettia on there, flowers, any kind of flower, pom-poms. A little pine cone on there. Okay. Now for the fun stuff. This is called Aileen's Glitter Snow. I love this. It's exactly what it is. It's just glitter paste that you smear on. So I'm going to put it on so it looks like snow was falling on the hat. Just go around like that. Put some on the brim. Maybe put some on the pine cone, on the leaves. Okay, then with the hairspray, this is how you're going to apply the glitter. You are going to spray it with hairspray. And then sprinkle your glitter on. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then the fun part, here's your candy. And voila, you have a cute giveaway for your guests when they come to your home for dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and I wrote all the instructions in the description below, all the materials you'll need and the instructions. And if you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Okay, have a great day. Bye.